In the midst of metal mayhem, a powerful crane gracefully lifts diverse scrap metal onto the conveyor belt. The variety is astounding. From old appliances to car parts, everything finds its way to the metal hammer mill. Once on the conveyor belt, the metal pieces flow into the jaws of the metal hammer mill. This robust machine, equipped with mighty hammers, takes on the challenge of transforming bulky scrap into manageable fragments. Witness the sheer force as the metal hammer mill roars to life, shattering metal pieces with unmatched precision. The result? A visually mesmerizing cascade of the destroyed metal pieces, ready for the next phase of recycling. The metal continues its journey on the conveyor belt, and here comes another marvel, the magnetic roller. This ingenious addition efficiently separates ferrous metals from non-ferrous ones, enhancing the sorting process. With every strike of the hammer, the metal hammer mill showcases its efficiency. The shredded metal not only takes up less space, but is also prepared for downstream processes, like melting and recycling. Once scrap metal undergoes the powerful transformation of our metal hammer mill, it emerges as a valuable resource primed for economic benefit. If you are interested in such a metal hammer mill, please never hesitate to contact us for details.